Welcome. In front of me is a Huawei Nova 12 SE, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So, to get started, we're gonna swipe down from the top right side of our screen to bring the toggles down, and here obviously we're looking for the hotspot toggle. For me it is right over here. Once you see it, you can hold it. This will quickly take you to the settings, and the reason you might want to navigate in here is because you will see that we have randomly generated password. So we're going to tap on it, get rid of it, and then you can set up your own new password, which will need to have at least 8 characters in length. And now Huawei wants to let me know that this is a simple password, which, yeah, it's a hotspot, so it doesn't need to be complex. So anyway, once that's changed, obviously you can change it to whatever password you want. Find the toggle once more and simply tap on it. And this will toggle it on, and from here you can connect to it. Once you're done, you can tap on the toggle once again to disable your hotspot, as it does consume more of your phone's battery, so there's no reason for it to be running in the background. Now, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.